I try to test the best.
But you got culture today.
What am I trophy?
Think you can intimidate the pussy.
Them pussy. Them no pussy. Just kill them.
What do you want your customers?
So with no apology. Send them to the cemetery. But dead are buried.
Brando.
Gelly kills the prince indicate a seal valley. Brother King coming from the old gangster valley. Nothing else that they go to step down. None of them a bullet coming from Lord Gelly. We want them all, knock them off.
When the champions play, our song run away. They can play in the night, they can play in the day. I'm telling you, there's going to be a few.
Let one sound London. The loss.
I said Chalice is the dog, he's the champion. Our dubs are so strong.
Bucket you open up the ice.
Only one side.
Let me show them over play a bucket you know. A Brixton the come from.
Yo, from there's a platinum cartel, then I weed up Chalice, rise the clock and bust one.
Junior!
The platinum cartel.
Me tell a man from early. You see the artist, yeah?
Kill them in the danger zone, in the battlefield, without machine. Platinum, I kill them
I am moving.
in the battlefield. They know can't hear them on the field. Kill them in the danger zone,
People.
in the battlefield.
I hear them play a massacre. I bet you them boy I can't find a massacre but like that one, yeah. Listen, that one, yeah.
Come ready, can't ready. Man, I make tough down like them can't bury.
Listen, people.
Can't ready. Man,
You see that song, yeah? Hey, Johnny.
pain and sorrow. Shut up them pain and marrow.
Level Junior.
Run up in a bad
People. I don't want to hear bats rock a bench now.
Young Naya, Colin, Junior.
I am warming up.
Well, if I sound feel them bad like a steel plate, line up them chest milk. Cartel them filters. Come this dinner, the man will have no mercy, remorse, no regret. And I dare cap a shot.
Now me know when you play.
Don't feel them bad like them take
What's your
cartel fit fraud. Chew them
What's your old boy step now? Remember, I made the old boy yesterday tonight. That boy can't take that from me.
Them play big and come and run up them out. Come in at the crash boat, them come fish up out.
Remember me tell you.
Some boss of our friend.
So like I did that.
Supposed to fail. Keep him just like next day. Platinum cartel, we come share up your meal. Sign your deal. We find out you are possible for real. Run time go station go squeal. We get deep top chat.
Level Junior.
No response to that.
Level Junior. You see the next song I'm going to play? From the artist touch road. The whole place showdown. And you see from the return, you see the war feel no good again. The war feel no good again.
Strength them out. Y'all strength and whatever. Chalice fire line up, Caroline up, bike and make it run.
Hey Johnny, yeah, yeah.
And when they feel like it's still good nothing leave. Lost the money, run from the party. Make we step like a centipede. And
Level Junior.
in the roar and when they feel like it's still
Brixton SW9 they come from. We don't know some later. Some later now where the bad boy them come from. The bad man song now. Brixton.
Platinum Cartel the baddest. Some boy up the toughest in the
I hear them from night.
Platinum Cartel no carry soft talk. Boy we no talk. Some boy no me no talk. One like them a talk. Them talk fast. They start chance with the binnery. Start off. Had this
So you must walk us out of dance right there.
we no power no informer. Run from sorry power.
Never. You see when I walk on somebody, me tell a boy this.
You call me, hey. Them a tell them say when we touch the street, we touch the street. Have it and we lucky me, people not fi see it.
Real bad.
People
told you, around your name, work and don't get no pay. Me see some boy get some boo from early, don't do that to them, because we know you're trying to think. Now go on good. You understand? Play some Junior. What time of clock? What time of clock now? Junior Chicks!
Good morning. Platinum Cartel in the morning. Rain has jump and then it's falling. Me no busy to them out.
Mix them fast, Junior. Warm.
Yeah. Good morning.
The bad sound is here. And we put bad sound point bad ready. Remember me telling the world God with the slogan. I tell ya.
From the UK we slay any song where you try this way. Oh, we kill
Level Junior.
sound that I create.
People, how much money will you pay for me tonight? And before you play some bad fuckery, I'm gonna play some song for the money. Play some Junior.
This song clash started. There's so much more that's to come. Yeah. And if you think some boy get killed, there's so much some boys to go down. Yeah. Platinum Cartel conflict.
You see that boy that when him chatty Johnny, movie star Johnny, the uncle movie them boy that star in a blue movie in my angel flesh. Yes sir. The uncle movie that star.
Then you would not know who choose them. Oh, when we see them, I go kill them. Then you would not know who choose them. Oh, when we see them, I go kill them. Then you would not know who choose them. Oh, when we hear them, you will know them. Listen to the way you them spoken.
Janet, tell me class
I don't see how them sound them. I don't be sound them. I hear them why. Like it's not very nice. Going on no with you. When we got judgment.
When you ready for me turn up in now, what you have on now? Junior play me song. Right now! From London, ready!
Anything platinum cartel call up. Any gun we have fight over them we round up. The fat 45 shot, make your bone up.
Level Junior! I see them trying. Level more than that. King Tubby's a try. Lord Gellys a try.
I'm a general.
Oh, so that means you know we get kick up and we get style.
Right?
Yes, I am. Working hours.
Dollar, match spider. Never done
Yo,
yet.
hombre, you see anyhow you play the bad general, you're going to get a bad funeral.
Me fi tell you, Dollar, me feel like I you for starting.
Look out there.
Listen.
You can mashing up this here. The dance them so.
Boy, Johnny.
Yeah.
You watch people business? Bumbo class, you know.
Good style. We are telling about careful with it. Put our brakes down, we say. No, look what I do there. I go down Lord Gellys. Yeah, yeah,
Got food with them, what our bricks that we say. Forward to represent the Soverign family.
King Tubby's happy day. Murder plan no cartel. Boy, ain't your best friend take that shot in again 40 million. Tonight we are gonna make sure they gatekeeper dead.
This and this on the pussy them now off the rise. Bust off with no fans in our lives. And so fresh out there, I teach and them a fish and that a fact. And the world know about the dancer girl where your back's possible. You know from when Sovereign want to shoot you. Use like Gellys near bungle when it suit you. Look from when Bunty Killer drop him dog price. I hope to know and so fresh and splice. Make the worst killer call you out twice. You even splice beanie man and Spragga bench spice. Pussy, Tubby's and Sovereign clash enough over the years that the Sunday and not enough you will fear. You really think what we're for kill with whole MC. And the baddest thing for playing Tubby's left and gone kill SMB. Pussy one.
Level. Johnny.
Sound and the pussy them boring. And just kill them with the carnival sound. Step to them face. Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. So what they gonna do? No for them. Everybody we are something here. And get through ya. Don't care who you are gonna dead by carnival sound. When we done with them pussy in here tonight, nobody no member them a yo. Run them out and send them out and burn them out. Alright then. I used to find them this like Gellys. South London said that them can't hanya. From them this quick stand me say them can't hanya. From them Chinese paper me say them can't hanya. From them this crack food me say them can't hanya. That one on them, so me say them can't hanya. From them this VR say me say them can't hanya. From them now move great say them can't hanya. Like Gellys run the place me say them can't hanya.
Mariana, let me tell you this. Money can't buy blood clot talent. You have to born with this. You're pushing on your food.
Lord, give me Sanchitan, the 40 killer.
We can't show them quality of blood.
So them dead, you know. Lord, then he's gonna murder us all again.
This is Sanchez.
This and no.
40 killer.
If the pistol I can leave them on. From the head of it.
No, the bad we no mess from the rock. Them things they have on me listen to y'all. I know the bad we no mess from the rock.
No shit in my face, that's up.
No. It's not a fight. So keep your bad thing ready.
Different type of kill me no quick like strike a different type of pussy on me cocky. Big shot type of different.
Number one. What do they say? We are showing us that we can represent England anywhere in the blood clot world. People who don't want to share this blood clot now.
Don't know. Andrew Fresh Kid Peckham, legend, movie star Johnny Jazzy Eye. Yo,
what's on me? 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 What's on me?
if you're talking the hardest, big Lord Gellys, I know that's my dog. Lord Gell.
Yo, first
I time. What I'm telling you, say yo. You see, Monday night, the winner come for War Report Monday night. When you watch out and listen, and there's only one winner, and the winner is found in Monday night. Lord Delhi, burn off them 4th round. 10 minutes. So here one now. 4th round, Sovereign Syndicate. I'm gonna burn off them 10 minutes now. Yes, so the dance getting whiskey. Sovereign Syndicate. Yo. Sorry there, Randa. Sorry. All who say the clash nice and nice. That me a talk about. Platinum Cartel, big up yourself. Chalice, you figure up this a Champions League football. You figure play veterans football. Have a good night. All who come a sound clash are ready for the war. Turn on your nose and clash.
Yeah. Now greetings to the world vice of the one called Big Gangster, you know. Sovereign Syndicate, Roger Diamond, Cash Out, Black Yard, all Brixton crew. Ooh-wee! Yes, rude boy.
Out in the street, they know it's
You know!
Sovereign Syndicate in a sound class, some sound I got dead in a cover.
Yo, we come to turn on a piece of fire in your head back squeeze.
This boy to the Undertakers. Brixton, London, Peckham. What are you there? Worldwide.
I asked where you come from. You used to live on 41C, Mora Street. Pussy.
Badness away, we know you know about ya. We gonna do suffering easy and simple, so you know say wickedness, the syndicate of practice, and the murder
Tell me not to love Gellys.
check this, and throw every Sunday with the action.
How much want to know that for man? You see tonight, me not come here for sky out with them boys.
When God down down, so we push it up a ball. First time we see the game just on first ball. See the game easy and all.
My God, you see? You know what?
Dance all. Till back gun, till back gun, till back gun. In the jungle, back gun, till back gun, till back gun. In the jungle, back gun, till back gun, till back gun. In the jungle, back gun, till back gun.
Push the wall, Johnny. Cause you are call up my name from 9. Pussy. Look how she bought that transmission looking pussy. Me's a ballin' as a young youth. Me not plot up my head. This is about 60. Yeah, plot up head. Pussy there in her hairdresser. Let me tell you this. Tell you this bumbo clout here. Results, nigga. Andrew Fresh. Let me ask you a question. Who you kill? To Johnny if you talk about results. Who you fucking kill?
Yeah. Sovereign Syndicate.
Pussy all answer. Yeah, Gellys, who you blood clot kill?
Sovereign Syndicate.
Who you kill?
We tell a jump on. Suck them mother with them little bit of dopey. Every rifle what we have a fire touch you, but we never kill a fly, a roach or a puppy. Running up with war, but we give them dopey.
From Sockwell Park days until Bamba Clan now. Remember telling about Sovereign Bad Boy Syndicate. Turn up.
Sovereign Syndicate. Party, we go anywhere but fly the people. Rifle on earth and a nice up the block. Sovereign Syndicate. This get a girl like a fence. Because Sovereign Syndicate. Here she comes. Easy. You're in the place, yes, from long time to this time. You don't know say but more, for sure. And the big sound called King Tubby, and you don't know say we are winner. We come to kill your little sound tonight. Run, my little boy, you're too bright. Now isn't it strange how the dibby sound thing?
But to a long time, tell you about that one. Long time. Easy. Let's do the vote. Okay? Upon hearing Lord Kelly, Johnny Osborne, if they won that round for you, give me a show of hands. Turn down the microphone, please. Or turn that down. Upon hearing King Tubby's head tones, if they won it for you, give me a show of hands. King Tubby's one. Lord Kelly, your second song. Well, hear me like with that clash here. This crowd is not biased. If you play a big tune, they're going to react to big tune. Right? So this is a big tune segment. People know how you're a big tune. We know how we're going to the blood clot graveyard. Hunch up, press. One over. You sound clear? This is John.
In England, Canada, or Jamaica.
What do I big tune?
With a poison dog, Lord Kelly will kill you. If the best too strong, we gonna murder you. Lord Kelly will make you wanna cry. Now boy, you dig a hole and ride. Be careful.
Everybody sing. That pussy don't die. Everybody be the chop.
Kill them.
People, you see them song there? Me play them song in the first round. First round song them there. First round. Yo, play something. All who say the word nice, say nice. Shh. We gotta vote. Upon hearing Lord Gellys' second song, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Cool, thank you. Upon hearing King Tubby's second song, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. King Tubby's 2, Lord Gellys 0.
Andrew, Lord Gelly, movie star, your third song.
This me like. This me like. And this me like. A suckers for nice. But you don't play no buckler tune. People don't want to hear tune, say tune. Who don't want to hear tune, say tune. Who don't remember the artists in there? Never Clara, kill them.
And this a song so hard. So hard.
I'm behaving this. I'm behaving this.
But the sound wild. Better you go back to school.
Why, Johnny? If you get thanks on one little small one, one little baby. What you are going now? It's not a song that big like Andrew Head. Listen to me. The song that big like Andrew Bumbuckler Head. Let me tell you something. Andrew, you remember I used to kill you all the time? From Wilmer Castle straight glass to Stratford Ricks. Straight glass Stratford Ricks. I knew we would buck up again. I knew we would buck up again. I knew.
Let it go down, see that
See right now?
I need one day leave for a class. So I always look forward to that. Look at it now.
What's up with the forward? Hold on. She's so forward. She's so forward. She's so Bumbuckler forward. Jump.
It's alright with me to kill us sometime.
Suck, Jesse. Hallelujah. What are you praying about, bro?
Hold on there.
What are you praying, bro?
Hold on. We're gonna vote this one now, yeah? We're going to vote this one now, yeah? Upon hearing Lord Gelly third song, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Thank you very much. Upon hearing King Tubby's third song, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. At a 2-1. 2-1. King Tubby 2, Andrew 1. Movie star Johnny, your fourth song.
No. All who used to listen to this and this thing. All who read Cringeable, 3 black in the Bumbuckler ear. All who read Pink Panther bus, 3 black in the ear. All who read Firelings and Mataran bus, 3 black in the ear. They posted them on the vibes. They're going to go to a base of this thing. A blood clot Kilimanjaro. 1-for-1 juggling. Hancho, kill the country.
Who's for this? Lord Gelly load up play this way. Idiot soul boy, you can't test the champion soul, Lord Gelly.
What about
It
this?
never hurt you. So not dead when Lord Gelly's put up us. They got me wrong.
Boy, if you don't call bass and sit there, you'll get a forward. Because bass and sit them follow, you know. I follow them follow bass and sit. You know, 1-for-1, you call bass and sit there and squinch it to get a forward. You whack. Body face, go sit down by yourself. Post it. 1, 2. You're dead. Money with a king.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, I want for you to build me some coffins for all in the
Body face, you're dead.
champion sound for Tubby. Maximum respect to selector and crew. You hear? Hear this? King Tubby's no book, a some boy funeral. Set them on Tubby's, they come and get buried.
What's the one?
But King Tubby's no book, a some boy funeral. Look down the original, look at King Tubby's are the general. Now hear this? King Tubby's are the champion sound.
Pussy, you're dead. Dead.
All right. Sorry there, Bucky. Sorry there, Matthew. All right, so EO, quick and fast.
Because we have to watch the time. Alright, upon hearing Lord Gelly dub number 4, if they're willing to you, give me a show of hands. Thank you. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 4, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. 2-2. 2-2. Dub plate number 5, Lord Gelly.
People, this my life. Uno no bias. Southern warfare. You say if me a play fuckery, boo me. You say if me a play good, or the cheer for me. Do not bias. Uno want hear big tune, say big tune. Uno want hear big tune, say big tune. Uno want sound dead for dead. 1-1, hold this in your blood clot.
Now this is original Itals, King Cartel, presenting the song called Lord Gellys, Andrew Fresh, Jazzy Hyde, Mikey G, H-Bomb, in that this your time.
Ah, boy. People, let me just explain something to you. You see, it's a sound clash. Alright. Andrew, Lord Gellys is supposed to be all on King Tubby's, yeah? They don't have certain songs that, like, seriously, like, it's everyday music. No, can you play a Gellys, bro? Can you play Gellys, bro? I will lock off right now. I will lock off right now. If you play a Dennis phone, I will lock off right now. Boo Gellys, Boo Gellys, Boo Andrew, Boo Andrew. All right, let's stop now.
This got to roll. Whoa, whoa, whoa now.
Lord Gellys will get him. Chop.
I just say, boys gotta get themselves together. Yeah. Now King Tubby should never take you over. You say, hey, and the time is displayed. All the music, jump and fancy. No,
pull up.
Alright, quick and fast.
No.
Quick and fast.
I look a crowd of it, bro.
Quick and fast, time I run. So here you are. Upon hearing dub plate number 5 from Lord Gelly, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Thank you. Upon hearing dub plate number 5 from Tubby's, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. 3-2 Lord Gelly. Dub plate number 6.
Pussy wall. Uno, make clash easy. And Uno, make people of America and Jamaica send a son of that blood clot England. Dennis Brown 139 grave and get a short pussy wall and one box in her head. Move your short bumbo clot head, pussy wall. Who do want to hold that grave?
Anything you can do, I
This
can
is
do
all the
better.
Gellys.
Lord Gelly, I'm my name.
Who do want to hold that grave? Everybody.
I'm just a son. I'm just a son. Hey, Lord Gelly is a son.
Alright. People, Cameron will not see your artists like this. If the pimp players will lock off again, we will not understand this thing, you know. Please. Can you play this, Andrew? You fuck her up.
If you are warrior,
What are you?
you are leader. You are warrior.
Alright. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. Upon hearing dub plate number 6 from Lord Gelly, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Cool. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 6, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Alright, you know what? You see anything we're gonna show with, we shut it back again, yeah? Right, Andrew? Anything we're gonna show with, we look in and it look balanced. You understand? So anything what I don't 100% see, I'm gonna be on the safe side and do it one more time. Respectfully, right? We are big people and that's how we are to deal with it. Alright? So upon hearing dub plate number 6 from Lord Gelly, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Would I look? Right. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 6, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. It's less. I'm not gonna be biased. I'm not gonna be biased, it's less. Andrew going with a point there. And then it's dub plate number 7, but I'm keeping it fair. I'm making sure that we all see things because I don't want nobody feel no way. But we're keeping it biased. It's 4, 2, and it's dub plate number 7 from Lord Gay. Respect to the two, son.
Pussy clot. Rosie one son from Ola Abade. Them have to put respect by your name now. We do it already. And we have to prove to this blood clot sound system fraternity in England. Say, you have 2 great general. Let me wipe off my sweat. When me play this blood clot, yeah, and the sweat gonna run down for me. Father God go bless me. Andrew. Lord, do this. I say you know the song tonight. Lord, get it. All who know Father, God bless you, know this. Say it. Just like the rain that falls from the sky. Why? Lord, get it, get it. Nothing to the coffee.
Oh God, boy mamba clot. If you want to go Batman soldier. If you want to go Batman soldier, every minute you change your clothes. You wash your beard, or you change clothes and then you wash. Dirty stinking Molly. Squeeze.
You know what feature? Mr. Barton Levi. Sound killer.
Lighter higher!
Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Bust them already, we go and bust them again. Dust them already, we go and dust them again. King Tubby says, pull up!
Okay. Alright, so upon hearing dub plate number 7 for Lord Gelly, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 7, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Tubby's gone with that. Yeah? Square and fair. 4-3. Dub plate number 8.
No. We don't care for play. Make them get it.
Fear is fear. If some play ready, and them get them forward, then forget the pints, right? Eh? Now, I'm just asking you, because them say me new to Soverign. The sound play ready, but them get it forward, then forget the pints, right? Me, no one no pints from me, no for bomb buckle and get. All who want sound dead, say dead! Say dead! Andrew, kill it!
Man, big not to stinking somebody upon Lord Gellys sound. I is the Andrew Fresh, Mikey G, Glamour, Jazzy, Show, Andrew Gelly. You don't know come on anything disrespect on them face as Kelly, man. As a matter of fact, you know, family like going to top. EFG rival, Lord Gelly a boss. The reason can say that even no Lord Gelly. Brother in someone there. I know all of the gun there. London, keep them shining on Chris. That's a what's up. We'll be coming in on the front. They're going to have to be on the wow, shoot up here. We don't shoot up here.
Bro, all you ever play a DJ tune in a 1-for-1. Or you can play a DJ tune and I want a singing tunes, bro. And a tune random. Boy, on a dangerous, you know. On a dangerous. It's alright, man. Play a bigger tune than that, man. Mighty demons are gonna bomb class.
In this time of trouble, we've got to open our eyes. Need some equal rights. In this time of trouble.
Pull up!
Alright, quick and fast. Upon hearing dub plate number 8 from Lord Gellys, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Alright, respect. Upon hearing dub plate number 8 from King Tubby's, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. I told you, if I'm not sure about something, I'm going to do it again. Because it is very balanced out there. You understand? You have to look, Andrew. I'm praying, and like I said, if I feel any type of way that I'm going to do it again, I got to do it again. You understand? Fair and square. Alright? So, we're going to vote one more time. Alright? Upon hearing Lord Gellys dub plate number 8, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Looking at the crowd, yeah? Looking at the crowd. Looking at the crowd. Alright? Okay. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 8, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. You see it there? You see it there? You see it there? You see it there? You understand? I'll be honest. Tommy's gone with that round there. I'm not gonna be biased. I'm not gonna be biased, bro. I'll be real. It's a sticky one, but more hands are there for Tommy's. Quinn, you're looking and you can see. Right? So the score is now 4-all, right? Dub plate number 9. Alright? So remember it was 4-3. Now it's 4-all. Yeah? It's 4-4 now. We're keeping it fair and square. The clash against Sticky. All who said the clash nice, say nice! Alright, so here what? Dub plate number 9 from Lord Gellys. People,
oh no, do the right thing. Me not have no problem with the blood clot voting. People, if me now play good, do not cheer for me. If me play good, cheer for me. But me come play see a ball of a day. Them see a country. This a song you play anytime a country. What the country people down there?
Manners. Lord Gellys some kill some jump and sound for we. Hallelujah.
Bring the back cover.
I'm boss. Manners, don't tell him. On them out, tell him. Lord Gellys some pop out some sound. Boy, I like
everybody.
Hallelujah.
Bring the back cover. Bring the back cover.
Gellys you kill some jump and sound in ya.
Hallelujah, God.
Yo, play a bigger song like that. I don't have time to chat to it. Play Dirty Lord Gellys, fuck off.
King Tubby's a first class citizen.
Alright? Alright? Please look carefully. Upon hearing Lord Gellys dub plate number 9, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. Alright. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub plate number 9, if they want it for you, give me a show of hands. King Tubby's 5, Lord Gellys 4. Dub plate number 10. Lord Gellys.
People, when you know I'm over star Johnny already, right? Me, don't give up. Never about buckle and give up. Him can't kill me. People don't come for here, big tune. When you're spending up big money, this a 1 for 1. When you want your bum buckle and big tune, fresh.
On the back, watching myself.
Me are looking at the crowd.
Watching myself.
Lord Gellys killing the game. Listen.
Lord Gellys not fi fuss, not fight. Some boy you're not playing right.
Why?
Back up the sound and leave.
Big sound up play.
Big sound just pop
And
out
just
strike. One bag of nice, but we don't believe the eye.
Oh shit. What's up? People, never cry for them. Never cry for them. Let we all pray for them. I'll pray for them.
Don't cry, don't nowhere. Don't cry, don't nowhere. King Tubby's a play. Yeah. No song, boy, don't cry.
Okay. Upon hearing Lord Gellys dub plate, if you thought they wanted, give me a show of hands. Upon hearing King Tubby's dub, if they're willing for you, give me a show of hands. The clash done. Clash done. The Southern Warfare champions right now, put your hands together for King Tubby! All who love the clash say boom, 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 boom. But all eyes a great look for Sound Clash.
Alan is a history. It's history, Alan.
It's a great night for Sound Clash. Big up all of the 4 sound them. Big up Lord Gellys. Big up King Tubby. Big up Sovereign Syndicate. And big up Platinum Cartel. Manners and respect to everybody. You understand?
South London get this.
South London and get this. People, April the 11th,